Hey guys, it's Random Schmandom here again with a new recipe. Lasagna. Made some minced beef over here with onions, coriander, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, lemon juice, and garam masala. You guys can use whatever seasoning you want. But this trust me, it's good, it's good. Stick some plum tomato into this and bash it, bash it, bash it, bash it. Or you can use chopper. I like plum because I like my tomatoes plum. Let it simmer a bit, okay? That's important to let it simmer. To make your cheese sauce, melt a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of flour, that's like about a half a cup of milk. Stir it with your wooden spoon until the little plumps are gone. I don't have a whisk with me, but usually people use a whisk, but you can still do it. And it takes a bit more time using with a wooden spoon, but it's okay. Next is a lovely bowl, a little small bowl of cheddar and mozzarella. Stir in the cheese. It's going to be all nice and cheesy. It'll be a little bit more, little thick, but like I like mine thick. You guys can make yours a little bit less thick by putting less milk. Alright, so you're gonna need them lasagna sheets. They're nice and thin. You don't actually have to boil them. Stick in your mince to the bottom layer. Stick in those lasagna sheets. You might have to break it up to make it fit. Next is that creamy, creamy cheese sauce. More mince, more sheets, more cheese sauce. Then last but not least, more cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle it on top. Already preheated on 200 degrees. Bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Taaadaaah! It's already nice and crisp. Thank you for watching this recipe. Woo! Goodbye.